Hi guys, this is Tala. Now, for today's vlog, I am going to cut my hair. I'm gonna cut my hair now. You know, guys, I've never cut this. I've never cut my hair for 3 months, I guess, or 4 months. I don't think so. Or how many months I did not cut my hair, but now I decided to have a new look. So this is my part 16 of my vlog 16. So guys, watch out. 60 lang. There's the ice cream. It's the ice cream. Did you miss my ice cream vlog? I'll do it again. But not now. But today we eat ice cream because it's too hot outside. Then later we will go there in the barber shop to cut my hair. So now we're going there in the barber shop. This is the second barber shop. From last night we go there. And we will come back again today to cut my hair. So if my hair will not gonna cut today or tonight, so I'm not meant to cut my hair. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Hindi pala siya pwede. Ala! Sira na siya. It's not working anymore. Guys, okay, I'm calling out to the constructor of the I'm calling out to the construction worker of this way. This is already loose. It's loose. Do you like my outfit tonight? Do you like my outfit? It's near one more street light. Today's sa gala. Today's sa gala. She is the face of the night. Napakita mo ba sa ano? So, I don't know, maybe she's my kabayan. She's the face of the night tonight. This is my outfit tonight. Charot. So So we're walking. Let's say 10 minutes more. So yeah. Okay guys. Later we will see. Ano ba? Sige na, go cut mo na. Yes. We're here now in the barber shop. So they will cut my hair. Totoo. They will cut my hair now. So I wanna transformation. I wanna transform my hair into short hair. Since I had this long hair for 5 months, I guess 5 months, yeah. So a while ago I said 4 months because I'm not sure when was the last time I cut my hair. So now I wanna transform into short hair, and yeah, you'll see it later. See, it's beautiful here. See the backgrounds. It's the ambience. It's so good and cool. It's accommodating. It's really accommodating. The time that we came here, they give us water. So yeah, it's accommodating.
Hindi talaga yan magpunta rito kasi mahaba. Yung mga tatabon sa mata mo.
Kasi pag ganito ng kahaba, ang naging itsura, nakaside na siya. Hindi na siya tulad ng...
Sabi na natin Koreano.
Sige pa. Ayan. Magiging I will be Korean. Koreano po. Yes. Kuya Jennifer. His name is Kuya Jennifer. He will cut my hair. So, let's see. This is the moment of truth. And the long hair will be short hair. Goodbye, long hair. Goodbye, long hair. Kuya, alam mo, 5 months na sa atin. Hindi, 5 months ko po siyang hindi siya napagawa. Yes, game, ready. Ito na. So, bukas na. Ang makapal itong likod. Pero yung sa una, tapos nakakatuwa yung mga nagpa-fire dancing. Kailan ba ako nagpunta doon? 2019? 2020? Hindi ako sure.
Dati malawag ka, pero open pa dati.
Oo. Tsaka pansin ko sa buhok ko, kapag humaba na siya, lalo na yung likod. Yes. Sige po. Ayan na. Gusto ko talagang takloban yung noo mo. Ala, nakikita ko na te. Nakikita ko na siya. Ganda. Do you like it, sister? Ang ganda. Nagmukha akong tutay. Parang nagmukha ako ng mukhang bata ng 2 years. Charot. Ang ganda ng view siya. Ha? Ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng background niya. Ang ganda ng background. Versus time. Nasaan? like it. Nakakailang maganda na ako, kuya. Ano kayong magandang gamitin ano? Magandang gamitin. Ano magandang gamitin panlagay sa buko?
Moist, moist pa.
Ano yun?
Pero mas maganda ang nagtuturan na lang kasi maano mo pa siya, mamabulyo mo pa sa pag moist yung
Sa bagay. Baka...
Saka mainit.
Mainit pa. Ito lang tuyo-tuyo.
Okay na yan.
Kunti na lang kung gusto mo yung marangas na yung kunti na talaga. Parang gano'n lang. Para
oil na lang lagay ko. Para magmukha naman siyang wet look. Very nice.
kasi pag nang ganun mga moist red, most pa lang. Ano rin siya, yung hindi mo rin siya style lang. Diba? Nag-grabing transformation na.
Ang ganda.
Rin sira.
Ang ganda ko po yun. Ang ganda. Tungkol.
Google ba? Sa manager.
Ang ganda na. Baka sabihin naman ng manager, sinong foreigner yung nag... Kasi andyan.
Kasi hindi na naman ang picture lang natin daw. Parang ganun na yata.
Like picture tayo.
Picture tayo.
Ako din sa YouTube. Na ano mga
Sa Google
talo.
na. Sa Google. Google ba?
Maganda tayo. Picture tayo. Tapos natin.
Ito na lang, no?
Ay, wait. Pwede ba?
Ayaw, yung pala, sorry.
Hindi pa.
Yung pa-slide ba, pang ganyan?
Hindi papaganon ko.
Kabila?
Papaganon talaga siya.
Ah.
Papaganon. May cake pa.
Dito, pag ganyan na.
First time mo bang ma-anuhan sa'yo? Sige, gandahan natin yung first time na yan.
First time ko.
English tayo para at least. Yung, kasi mostly nga. Ayan, okay na to. Ay, ganun to. Picture tayo. So, this is the tawag doon? The after look. After look. Beautiful. So good. Tingnan.
Dali na! Shhh! Kumain. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Tama.
Taka na. Dali na! 1, 2, 3.
Ano yung camera? Gusto mo? 1, 2, 3, go. Ang ganda ba?
Dali yan.
Ayan, let's go. Tara na. Yes. Hey guys, this is Tala and we just finished to cut my hair and look no guys, look the outlook. Look the outcome of my hair, my long hair, and I make it a short hair. Look at it. So anyway, guys, really I highly recommend this this barbershop. I mean this salon, This is a Filipino salon. It was located here in Hamdan, and the salon name is Snappy. So I highly recommend this salon. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog, my vlog 16, and this is the new me. And I want to start my vlog 16 with my new hair, and I hope you guys will stay tuned and be with me. Bye bye.